Back here with another video. And today, I'll be painting that thing right there. That white tabletop. So yeah, gonna paint that, put my unique touch to it. And yeah, here's my dog. Say hey, Russell. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna have to do with this is paint it, of course, cause you gotta paint first. First thing you always gotta do. And then next thing you gotta do, paint again. Put your unique touch to it. But always remember to sand it down first, cause you always want a nice surface to paint on. So guys, I can't paint these pants. These are actually my favorite pair of pants. And you know what? I can't paint unless I have on my painted pants. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Alright. Got my new pants now. I'm all good. Now let's get to painting. So guys, I can't paint without paint. So I need some spray paint. And yeah. Oh. Got some now. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Posca markers to do the outline on this. Then I'm gonna get to paint because I want my outline first. Then I'm gonna have my Posca markers, and then we get to painting for sure. So guys, let's get into it. Guys, it's actually getting really cold out here. Like the wind is blowing like really hard, so I gotta put on my hoodie, bro. Cause like if I don't, I'm just gonna freeze out here. I'm already freezing. So now I'm good. So guys, I'm finally done. This took literally 3 days for me to finish, and finally done. That's what I'm happy about. I'm satisfied. So yeah, check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I wanted to try something different again. Like, you know, I'm just exploring what I can do, because, you know, it's best to explore what you can do. You never know what you can do. So yeah, I just tried something new. And I kind of rhymed there, but yeah, check it out. And yeah, that's about it. So if you like this video, comment below, tell me what you like about this, and yeah, subscribe for sure. And I'm out.